Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at how to draw latte art. It's so easy to learn latte art. It's like learning how to balance a bike. Once you learn how to balance, it will be in your memory and you won't forget. And you should be able to draw any latte art upon practicing further. So today's video, I am assuming that you know how to froth the milk properly. That's the first step. Now, if you don't know how to froth the milk properly, you won't be able to draw latte art because the consistency of the froth is very important. If you introduce a lot of bubbles, that means there will be a lot of foam, a thick foam on top of the milk, and you won't be able to draw latte art with that. Now, if you don't introduce enough bubbles into the milk, it will be too light and you won't be able to draw and you won't get that white pattern on top of the espresso. But if you do the right frothing, then the milk should float on top of the crema and you will be able to achieve latte art. Now, today's video, I'm making it so simple. We will go through step by step on each process, especially the height of the pitcher to hold, the cup, how to hold the espresso cup, the angle of the cup, and how to draw the latte art where you bring the pitcher closer. So have a look at those step by step on how to achieve a latte art. You should be able to draw a simple heart. Now, heart is something that everyone learns. That's the first thing people learn how to draw because it's very simple. So I'll show you how to draw a simple heart, and you can build tulips. So I'll show you how to draw a simple heart and you can build tulip art on top of that. So that's what we are going to look at. Have a closer look at the video and let's begin. So I hope you will be able to achieve latte art from now. Have a look at those steps and make sure you follow those step-by-step process, the position of the pitcher, how to hold the espresso cup. Keep all those things in mind and you will be able to draw latte art. Now keep that in mind, that wiggling part, bring the pitcher very close to the espresso, just wiggle it gently and the latte art will come automatically. Now provided you have frothed the milk properly. Now I will be posting another video. I have many videos on how to froth the milk, but I will be posting a similar video like today's on step-by-step process on how to froth the milk to get that correct consistency, because that's a mistake many people make. Either they froth too much or they don't introduce enough bubbles properly. So stay tuned guys, make sure you subscribe to my video if you are new, because I'll be posting more videos on Breville Barista Express and other coffee tips. So see you on the next video. Bye for now.